Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. I'm Serein Wu, and I'm here to share with you an at-home DIY facial treatment that you can give yourself while staying at home. So let's get started. You'll want some clean washcloths, a faucet, and some products that you probably already have at home. The key to a luxurious at-home facial treatment is really taking the time to use all the products you have and really massage the products in. To start off, I'm going to be using a balmy cleanser to massage away any of the SPF, break apart any of my makeup that is still left on, and really just break away the daily grime from your face. When you're massaging your cleanser into your face, think about circular motions with your fingertips and focus on the center of your face and move out. And always use upward motions when massaging the products. And of course, take your time and allow the beautiful, luxurious, oily consistency to help guide your fingers across your face, promoting circulation. Be gentle with the eye area. Take the time to really massage, especially in between your brow bone where we tend to hold a lot of tension. And then don't forget your under eye area. This is where we tend to build up a lot of fluid. So just gently tap it. This will help with puffiness and dark circles. Always wipe up and out. A great at-home facial tip is to get a really nice hot towel where it's nice and steamy and hold it over your face for a few seconds. It opens up the pores and kind of gives you the same effect that you might get at a professional facial treatment with their steam going. So this is a very gentle, milky cleanser. And since my skin is damp, we're going to just really take the time to massage this cleanser into the skin. Don't be afraid of taking your time and truly giving your face a nice, wonderful massage with cleanser on. Really focusing on the T-zone, which is where I'm more congested, and you can do a little jaw pinching to promote lifting, circulation, and drainage. And the cheeks, because we always want to lift those cheekbones. Now that we're nice and cleansed, we're going to go in with a gentle exfoliation. One of my favorite things to use to exfoliate the skin is using an enzyme exfoliant. It's much more gentle on the skin, and it does a nice job at removing any loose dead skin cells that are ready to go, but leaving the healthy cells behind so that it's not overly stripping or too harsh. With an enzyme exfoliant, you really want to make sure you take the time to massage the product, really help the enzymes break away any of the dead skin cells. Now that my skin is baby, soft, and smooth, I am ready to go in for a detoxifying mask. I'm going to focus this mask mainly on my T-zone, where I typically break out. A great tip that I learned about clay masks is to actually not do a super thick layer. You actually want to do a thinner layer where it covers the entire area that you want to cover, but where the mask can actually dry so that the clay can do its job. While the detoxifying mask is doing its job, you can sit back, relax, chill, listen to some calming spa music, watch some YouTube videos, or even read a chapter in your book. My mask is ready to be removed. I've got a nice warm washcloth. Going in with a hydrating mist. Applying some eye patches. The next mask I like to use is something hydrating, nourishing, very soothing to the skin. After about 10-15 minutes, you are ready to remove everything. With a hydrating, moisturizing mist. And from here on out, you can go into your normal evening skincare routine using a brightening serum, a hydrating serum, a super nourishing hydrating night cream. To finish everything off, I like using a facial roller Thank you so much for tuning into my DIY facial treatment to do at home. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay home, and stay positive. Bye!